Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Trendler. Welcome to the new and to the old subscriber. So I know it's been a minute. I apologize. Welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make a very simple whitening soap. And this is soap that whitens the skin. So if you're not interested in it, please, it's not for you. I've gotten some comment, oh, you're promoting bleaching, and no, I don't promote bleaching. But some people want whitening soap, and yeah, if you're not one of them, it's fine. Okay. So this is a very amazing soap. You can see the color, you can see the texture is very nice, and this whitens the skin. It's very simple because you just need little ingredients to make this, and it is affordable, or will I say quite affordable. Also, feel free to twerk it anyhow you can, but you have to be very careful because it is a soap, and if you overwork it, it's not going to foam for you. So this soap, I was actually making it for my client, and she was with me when I was making this soap. If it's something you're interested in, let's get right into this video. So welcome to the new and old subscribers. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so while I'm waiting for this to start, let me just tell you guys, it's very easy to make and it's very simple, and it's just with very few ingredients. Okay, so the first soap I used was, or the soaps I used in this production is nano soap. Yeah, you can see it here. So we have our bleaching black soap, and we have our nano extra white natural papaya and carrot soap plus glutathione. I love this soap so much because it's a Thailand product, and it contains vitamin A and vitamin C, also with glutathione. This soap on its own is amazing on the skin. If you've used this soap and you love it, leave your comment down below. Give this video a like. It's very amazing, and I love the fact that it foams very well. So this soap on its own is super and it works well. Okay, and the next soap I used is this um, bleaching black soap skin whitener. So this is my first time actually using this soap for her. Normally I use nano soap and glutathione soap, the one that is the same color as the nano. Yeah, I use those soap, but I couldn't get the nano, so I went with this as I saw this and I know it's what she likes. Okay, fine, let's use it. I called her and she was like, yeah, it's fine, let's just use it because I've been producing for her as well for a very long time. So this is how it looks like. The nano is the orange color, and then the neo, that is the bleaching black soap, is the black one. The reason I even got it is because of the name, this new product. I've used this product in Promising some time ago, and it was really amazing. It was really good. So when I saw it, I was like, oh yeah, this product, they know their work very well, which is why I got it. So the papaya, the neo nano smells really good, and this bleaching soap just smells like normal bar soap. Okay, so what I'm going to do is our normal level shredding this soap. So I'm going to be using one full, that is the nail soap, I'm going to be using the full one. Then the nano whitening soap, I'm going to be using half. I can use the two, but I chose to just use half because of the quantity I want to make. Okay, so you don't have to follow what I'm doing. If you don't want or you don't like the color, fine, you can scrap the black soap and go with only the alpha nano soap, or you can go with nano and glutathione soap, whichever one you like. You can go with nano and larissa soap, which is very effective as well. So, but yeah, this is what I could get today, and that's what I could work with. So you don't have to necessarily do this exact thing. Okay, just look for a soap to what you want, your desired taste. I always say make sure your soaps are the same color, but so that it doesn't get brown and all that and all that. But yeah, this one is also very good. So I'm going to grate this soap and come back. So in my mortar, yeah, I have my butters. I have my mixture of shea butter. In the mixture is shea butter, mango butter and carrot butter. So yeah, I have two tablespoons of the butters. I already put them in my mortar because of my soup. So I finished grating the soup except for the black one, which I was already tired. So I just grated a little bit and see how much half that nano soap is. It's really much. You can see it full that plate. This plate they use in storing food. That was really the thing. So you should know that it's much when you're making for yourself. Just do it in a little quantity, maybe half and half. You get. So I'm putting it in the mortar, and this is my skin whitening powder for soap. So if you want to get this powder, I tend to give you skin whitening powder for soap. Okay, and also I added kojic dip inside. So we have kojic dip and skin whitening powder, and this deep rosol. I'm going to be using half of it, okay, inside. So what happened here was I was pounding it, and my client was like, I wanted to soak it because the normal way to do it is to soak it. You can use rose water, you can use maybe any petals that you have, just soak it in water, and it gives you the I like call it hydrosol, and then you soak it. Well, she said she's traveling today. I'm shooting this video around 2:30, so she's traveling today and she could not wait. So she was even with me while I was doing this, and she said just have to do it anyhow and go. So I had to heat it up a bit. That was how it became smooth on a very low heat. But you can soak your own and it's fine. So yeah, I'm just putting that one cover of oil. In that oil, we have our Snow White oil, um, whitening oil, alpha butane oil. So this oil, they come in Vit Gold. I just went to measure them and I got it, and I'm just putting little because you know that if you pack too much in soap, it doesn't foam. So I just use this very few ingredients so that it will work very well and it will foam very, very well. So for the soaking, you can soak it with your fruits. What I mean by your fruit, I'm talking of banana, pineapple, and if I say banana, pineapple, and carrots, and pawpaw. Just grind it and stream out the water and soak your soap till the next day, and you come back and pound. So use this soap morning and night for a better result. Don't forget your sunscreen because it's going to be very bad if you're seeing your result but then you're having burns in your body. So use your sunscreen as well during the day. So this is how the soup came out, and it's a bit stronger, but if you soak your own, it's going to be very soft because it's bar soap. Bar soap tends to hard because of the lye solution. Okay, so this is it. I hope this video was useful to you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you. I will see you in my next video.